Welcome to my workshop. I show you how you can wire your e-bike, your pet robot or even your personal spacecraft with Hego electrical connectors. I take you step by step through the processes and teach you all the skills you need to master the art of e-bike wiring. If you want to know what tools the professionals use, how they use them and what tips they can give you, then subscribe and find out. I begin this video series with a definition of terms. You then get an overview of my connector selection and hear about the what and why. I show you what tools you need and how you use them. Soon you will be making your own adapter cables, extension cables and Y cables. I explain how a wire diagram is drawn and read so that you can document your project. Find out what special tools exist to ease cable handling and how you become much more precise and productive. This video series concludes with me showing you how I make a complete wiring harness for an e-bike or robot or spacecraft. I hope you enjoy the videos. Thanks.